NFT marketplace, and I wanted to give you a very simple tour of the interface so that you become acquainted with it before you start testing and trading, purchasing, transferring, minting NFTs with our platform. It's a pretty easy to use platform. You can log in today to our test site and you can check it out for yourselves. We are constantly uploading properties, and by Friday we will open our land grab event with millions of properties for you to acquire. So you can collect, sell digital land. You can also enrich this land. If you want to search the land, you can customize the price range. So let's say you wanted to go with cheaper properties, you can just change this. If you wanted to change the sell type and just only look for buy now properties, you can do so here. If you only want to look for newly minted properties, you can just click new. In terms of digital land and properties, we have a mapping of the entire planet. We distribute ads on geofences, on buildings, landmarks, etc. And whomever purchases a digital land NFT gets the profits of ads placed on that particular location. So you can buy an island, you can buy a building, you can buy a stadium, you can buy a university. You could deploy a strategy of buying restaurants around the globe. And the coupon that we distributed last week will allow you to buy many of these properties, since minting price is it's really low, to be honest. And then if you click here, then you can just use a full text search, where it gives you like suggestions. You can search for buildings, stadiums, malls, universities, or whatever you want. The process is very simple. You can filter and discover properties to buy NFTs, and you can use any strategy for that. Then you connect your wallet. Initially, only Stacks wallets, because we are a Stacks startup. Stacks is the best, right? So Stacks connects with Bitcoin to mint NFTs, or finalize the minting of NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, and takes the Bitcoin liquidity to make all sorts of processes more interesting, make them more secure, and also it provides tremendous facilities for us to code faster, cheap, more secure code, and provides a blockchain that is miles ahead of Ethereum and other blockchains in many ways. After you connect your wallet, you can start purchasing and trading NFTs. You can start buying these properties, and then you can earn crypto as a digital landowner and virtual screen operator. So across the board, for most networks, you get to keep 50% of the profits that happen by distributing ads in your particular location, in the location of the property that you have purchased. This can be either lower or higher for different networks and different types of ads, but as a general rule of thumb, you can safely assume that you make 50% of the profits almost every time. This is a typical auction. It's on the Monuments collection. This will actually give you maybe a week to place a bid. Um, it's a nice auction for the entire Liberty Island, so it's not only the statue, it's the entire island. And then what happens is that anybody that visits the Statue of Liberty will get exposed to Bitfari ads if they're using the Bitfari wallet, if they're using any of our applications, if they're using any of the connected applications to our ecosystem, or if they have AR glasses that are connected in somehow to our network. Since our network pays 5% to wallet operators, we really expect a lot of wallet operators and app developers to connect to our platform to get the ads and show these ads to people. And then what's going to happen is that all the money that gets placed by advertisers will get distributed for miners, for screen operators, for viewers, for wallet operators, and eventually landowners will get a cut of that. What we get out of landowners is that they are like natural auditors of the platform. They have some sort of say in the management of these virtual screens, and they can approve or reject ads. So that's a task that you do, and along with auditors, you get to curate the ads that are displayed. So you get to ensure the safety of the entire network. By having this distributed network of digital landowners, we can provide a service that is curated, that is safe, that is nice. So we are really proud of the system, really proud of the design. This is something. It's a new model. It's something very rich, very nice, and that will provide value to all parties involved. So it's not only you as a digital landowner getting value from the platform, but users getting a highly curated and relevant experience as the result of having somebody that is actually taking care of these virtual billboards. You can subscribe here. This is something that we have gotten a lot of requests for. You can subscribe here and you can get notified automatically about upcoming airdrops and prices. We are going to go as far as creating a weekly airdrop. Maybe not an airdrop every week, but maybe every other week, maybe once per month. But we really like the experience with these last airdrops. We have done 2 in this month, so we plan to keep on doing them. And in some months, we might have weekly airdrops. Okay. These airdrops will not only be of NFTs. Our first airdrop was a token airdrop. We have 10 million faris for airdrops, so that's a lot of money that we have reserved for airdrops. And we also have $2.5 billion worth of digital land. So the minting price is around $100 on average for minting. We have 25 million properties for minting. So the entire the 25 million most visited properties. Okay, so here you can browse by category if you just wanna keep on searching, and then you can just get a more targeted thing. And this is just some tutorials, intro. This will give you a nice video with intros, and here you can get tutorials. So here you can just get information about how to use this and get links of the ecosystem. So it's gonna be really easy for you after you start using the platform to actually um, connect with us. So the first step is to go to your profile to see the tokens that you have, or to disconnect your wallet. If you haven't already done so, you can connect your wallet here, and then you can click on your stacked wallet. Here we're gonna have multiple wallets for you to connect. So we're gonna have MetaMask, and that might be something that we ship next year, but we will definitely have it. And also options for other stacks wallets, so that you can just pick and choose whichever wallet you want. If you go to collections, you get the floor price of the collection. You can share it on social media. You got the volume. All of these numbers are in zero because obviously it's a test environment. We don't have a lot of data here. If you go to search, then you can search by keywords, or you can just change here whatever you want. For every property of digital land, you have the bid price, you have the type, the time left, and then you have a code. You're gonna have multiple codes because you're going to have the code for our blockchain, and then the minting code. Let me just go here. This is pretty standard. It's just the about us page, but you can see the team. The team is fully doxed. Um, these statistics are really nice, so just check them out. Let me just go back. Um, let's go to a property, right? So if I wanted to place a bid, it's pretty fast. I will get the location. I will get the coordinates, so that you can check on Wikipedia or whatever, how much, what you're buying. here this icon is for sharing on social media. So if you wanted to share on Twitter, you can click on that. That will open a Twitter window so that you can share it. If you wanted to transfer the NFT and it will be yours, you could transfer the token, or you could change the price here. So you just click transfer here and just paste the address here, and just click submit, and that will transfer the NFT. So it's really easy to transfer the NFT. If you want to change the price, it's the same. You click change, a pop-up will open, and then you will be able to change the price. It tells you the price in faris, and then it tells you the equivalent in dollars. Some properties will be priced on stacks. We've been getting a lot of requests from people that don't have faris that want to buy on stacks. So we have like multiple collections that we're gonna curate, and we're gonna list some of them, and we're gonna like make them purchasable using stacks, because it's like pretty easy for us to do so. If you purchase with Fari, you get a 90% discount. So purchasing with Fari is always cheaper than purchasing with stacks. That's number one. If you want to purchase with your coupon, that's gonna be available on Friday, and you're gonna be able to spend up to $100,000 worth of NFT minting to buy whatever. So if you wanna go crazy and you wanna buy 10 buildings, go ahead. If you wanna place bets on crazy properties like the Empire State, Statue of Liberty, whatever, go crazy. If you wanna buy Faris and save 90% and buy stuff with Faris, go crazy. If you wanna go for really big properties, for our curated collections, top of the end, like auctions. If you want to buy like one of the wonders of the world, if you want to buy the pyramids or whatever, places that get millions of visitors per year, frankly, some of them, and places that are going to be really nice collectibles with high resale values, you can also do so. All of our properties are unique. So when you buy the Statue of Liberty or Liberty Island, you're buying the Statue of Liberty or Liberty Island, and then what you're gonna get is you're gonna get the NFT, which has like multiple dimensions. So it has like a cover which has the map. So you get the map area. You get a code you get like a ties in your account with the payment, ties in your account with the profits that you get. We're gonna show you how you can approve the ads on the social connector, which is another app that we have, and then you get animations. For some NFTs you get animations, and for this one you get animations. I will show that on a separate video. So just to make an offer here, just click make offer, and that will allow you to make an offer. You have to connect your wallet first, obviously, and then you can see the provenance, which is the ownership history, basically. An owner gives you the latest owner. You can see the details here. What this means is that you can place ads on Panorama, meaning AR ads. These are geofencing ads. These are wallscape ads. This is only applicable for buildings, so you cannot change the building's size because this is not a building. It gives you the contract address and the token ID. This is something that will be viewable on mainnet. It's not viewable on testnet. And then you get the sky rights, meaning that you can place ads on the sky, or somebody can place ads on the sky, and then you got a commission for it. And those ads will be viewable from the Manhattan Bay, so that's something neat as well. And it tells you also the foot traffic, which is 3.5 million for the Statue of Liberty. So we got like all of that foot traffic we get from a database, right? And then we just display it here. So it's a pretty cool interface. It's nice. It's really simple. It's really like easy to use, and we hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna tape multiple videos now. This was the basic overview, so I'm gonna tape multiple videos just showing you how to place a bid, how to do a search, how to do this and that. But this gives you a general flavor of the platform. I love it on dark mode. It's really nice on dark mode. But yeah, enjoy this on Friday, and talk to you soon.